So what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be trying to fix one of the biggest issues that every manual GTI has, and that is the shifter. The shifter's kind of loose, kind of sloppy, and it's just not as good as it can be. So there's an easy fix to it, and that's just getting like a short shifter. And I got a pretty cheap one. It's a back and forth adjustable short shifter from ECS Tuning. It's probably the cheapest short shifter you can get for the GTI. You can kind of think of ECS Tuning, like their brand, as like the store brand. This shit looks complicated. I don't know how this shit works at all. I know it's that thing that's under the intake. So when I put in the intake, I kind of saw something like similar to this. Fuck it, we're gonna find it. I'll probably have to look at the instructions. Yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna set up some GoPros and put a time lapse or something. But also I gotta show you the shifter feel. So let's go do that.
Alright, so to kind of demonstrate how bad it is, I shot it over top with the GoPro, but I'll show you from the side too. I'm gonna balance the lens in this fucking chapstick. Alright, so you can kind of see how far the throw is. So it's pretty far. It's a long throw. Oh fuck. So yeah, it's a pretty long throw. There's a good amount of wiggle in every single gear. So if you put it into first, you can give it a little wiggle. Second wiggle, third wiggle, fourth wiggle. I don't know, because I know it's a short shifter from back and forth kit. I don't know if it's gonna do anything for that. Hopefully it does. But yeah, the throw is really long. I hope like the short shifter will make it a little tighter and feel a little better. So let's get to installing it. Fuck, it is hot. I don't remember when, but I tried to take the intake off, but there's like this little clip where it slides into, and it was being a bitch last time to take it off, where I just gave up and I didn't even take out the intake. So we're gonna see if I can actually get it out, but all that needs to come out is your intake, and it sits right under it. It's literally right here. Oh, fuck, that's hot. I don't know what the fuck is going on down there. That's complicated. Fuck, did it go? I got it out, but I did lose a clip in there. So I'm gonna look for it right now and see, hopefully, if I can find it. Because I don't know if you can buy that clip anywhere. That shit looks fucking weird as fuck, so. But the thing's out. Garbage. Basura. So we're gonna go with 3 weights, and then we're gonna go from the second shortest. So We'll see how this feels. If it feels good, we'll keep it. If not, we'll change it, I guess. Fuck it. Hope I didn't strip that shit out. Alright. It's pretty good. Got 3 right here. 3 counterweights, second to longest throw. See how it looks. So I just put it in, and it's a little too like it's a little too short. So it's like a little too hard. Like if I don't feel like I can't find the gear. Okay, so it's on the second to longest hole on the adjustment thing. I started with like the second to shortest, and that was way too short. I couldn't figure out what gear I was. Maybe I could have got used to it, but no, I didn't feel good. So this is for sure way shorter. It feels better, like it's heavier, and it feels like it's, I don't know, it just feels better, more crisp. Yeah, feels better. You guys don't know how many times I reshoot things. I sit in here and say the same thing that like takes a minute to say for like 30 minutes. I do this longer than I usually take to fucking install the part. And then no one watches the videos, but fuck it, who cares? It's gonna blow up eventually, I know it.